Hey everybody, this is Richard again with the Car Barn here in good old southern Utah, Hurricane, Utah. Today I'm driving in a 2012. This is the Ecoboost Crew Cab F-150, again a 2012. And this one has 131,000 miles on it. Kind of holding my camera as I drive, so keep my eyes on the road, but a really nice truck. It's got some issues we're going to point out cosmetically and whatnot, but a really good value on a truck if you have been looking at the Crew Cab Ecoboost. This is the 3.5. It's got the FX4 package, leather loaded sunroof, lots of truck for the money. So anyway, I've been driving it a little bit. Runs and drives very well. It's four-wheel drive, again, leather loaded, heated seats, lots of toys and goodies on it. But we're gonna stop up here, take a look at the inside of it, the outside of it, go over the features, benefits, and also, you know, any issues, flaws we find on the vehicle. As always here at the Car Barn, we do these videos so we can be totally transparent and let you know what we know about a vehicle. That way you can buy with confidence if you're coming from out of town, out of state, out of the country, whatever the case may be. You know it's worth your trip because you know everything we know about the vehicle. So anyway, I'm going to stop right up here, but just to give you an idea, if you've not driven the Ecoboost, unbelievable amount of performance in a a six-cylinder. This is the turbo pickup. Used to be they had the 5.0 and the 5.4 motors in the Fords. You can still get the 5.0, also a great motor, but these are amazing. Great fuel economy and great performance when you need it. So really a fun truck to drive. So I'm gonna stop right up here out of the corner. If you've not been to southern Utah, this is it. Pine Valley Mountain in the background. Got some snow there, but the rest of it, it's gonna be in the 50s today. And nice, comfortable winter weather. You're liking the nice warm climate. So new housing development going in. We do our drives a little bit different spots every time. Make these videos kind of non-professional on purpose. There's nothing we want to try to hide or you know, feel like we got a canned video for you. So anyway, this looks like a nice quiet spot, a little out of the way. Let's take a look at this truck and point out some things. Obviously, you can see it does have navigation, power windows, doors, cruise. We're gonna open the doors, get a little bit more light in here. Shut the truck off. Does have the keyless entry key fob, and on the steering wheel you got controls for stereo as well as obviously cruise control, all your media stuff. And let's kind of take a look from out here. This truck has not been detailed, by the way. Okay, goes through our inspection mechanically, make sure everything's good, sound, run, drivability is good. Then we'll go back and detail them. So you're kind of getting a first shot look at it, especially if you're out of town, out of state. Gives you a little bit of a head start and not losing out to the local people all the time. So anyway, on the door, you know, obviously power door locks, power mirrors. Up here, it does have the Sony upgraded sound as you would get in the leather loaded FX4 package. Seats go everywhere. You know, you've got lower lumbar, you've got heated seats, just really nice and in really good shape. I'm sure they'll even clean up a little better, but I don't see any tears, no scuffs. The non-smoker vehicle, all of the leather's nice and soft, not dried out, brittle. It does have a sunroof. There is an issue with the sunroof. Two of the clips on there do need fixed, and we're going to talk more about that as well. Okay, dash is nice and in good shape. Needs clean, but no cracks, and it's not deformed or, you know, out of shape, coming loose or anything like that. Let's take a look in the back real quick. In the back, you got some good heavy rubber floor mats on the whole thing. Again, the back seats are also very nice. Sliding electric rear window with defrost. And this kind of neat, it's got controls in the back for your air conditioning, heat, and then also a nice auxiliary normal house plug, so to speak. So real usable, fun. Okay, getting windy out here. Hopefully my video is not going to get too noisy, but let me close the doors. And we're going to go around this truck, point out some things. You can see it's the metallic gray. It does have the backup sensors. And the tailgate we're going to talk about in a minute as well. Hopefully video's not getting too much glare, but you got the running boards, got the 20-inch alloy wheels, and going around this side, pretty good shape. We're going to point out some flaws and stuff. I just want to give you an overall view first. You can see the truck. Again, the 3.5 Ecoboost. And now let's go back and point out the flaws. And some of these are things that we're already planning on fixing. Some of them you don't know about. You may decide, hey, I'll take it the way it is. I just want a really, really good deal on a truck as cheap as I can get it, okay? So on the hood, you've got some clear coat that's coming off. Looks like somebody maybe have spilled something on it because it's only in a few spots on there. And then also on the top here, no real body damage there. Got a headlight that's cracked, okay? And then going down this side, I'm going to point out some things. The obvious ones, obviously there's little minor scratches and dings, but what I wanted to show you is right here, and this is on the Carfax. It looked like somebody had hit it here and then pulled it out, but never gone back and did the paint body work, okay? We got about a $700 to $800 estimate on that from a body shop that we use pretty regularly. So there's that. Minor scratches on the outside coming back around here. Most of that can be done. Tailgate, okay? Hopefully give it a little reference here. Kind of beat up. It does open and close fine, but you know, there again, you might think that's okay for you. Put a rail cap on it. That'll cover most of it, but it's still there. Does have a nice cover. Those work really well. It slides and kind of rolls up. And then coming down this side, got a ding here. Little scuff in the paint there. And then going down this side, a couple little door dings way up high. Not bad overall. A lot of this is buffable. Some scuffs down the bottom, but then the running board is a little dented there. Might even take the running boards off, not sure. But the main thing I want to point out is this truck has an NADA value of almost, I think it's still around 25 grand or so. That's what your bank will loan you. So if you can pick up a truck like this for 15, 16 grand, you've got a great way to go. This truck is going to show as a restored, rebuilt title, and be glad to send you the Carfax on that so you can see the history of it. None of the accidents and things on it appear to be really, really serious, where it's been an issue with the frame or anything like that. The vehicle was not towed away in any of the accidents. Airbags did not deploy. Doesn't appear to be anything major. I'm thinking this was the most serious of the damage, but we want to disclose what we know, but we don't want to make something up if we don't know. So anyway, if you need financing, we do have some great programs that can work with you, even though it does have a restored title. If you want to go to barnloan.com, all one word, submit your information, or you can give me a call direct. Again, my name is Richard. You can reach me at 435-773-2022 here at the Car Barn. Thanks, and have an awesome day.